to 2010 economics pass question number 46. 46 says, one of the characteristics of free trade zone is A, common tariff against non-member countries, B, free factor mobility within the zone, C, different trade policies of non-member countries, and D, harmonized trade among member countries. Now when we talk about free trade zone, free trade zone refers to non-restriction on international trades. So buying and selling can take place between different countries without the imposition of artificial barriers. So, such as absence of custom duties, quotas, embargoes, etc. So there is perfect mobility of commodities and factors of production between countries. So in view of that, option D, which says harmonized trade among member countries, is the correct option. Thank you. Please subscribe for more questions.